So have you noticed this new feature in your Google Classroom? Let's quickly have a look at what it is. Click on the Create button, go into Assignment, and here there is this magic Create button which has made its debut in Google Classroom. So what can I do here? Let's put the title Collaborative Work. You can give your instructions here or maybe not, and then go into this Create button. And look what you can do. You can create a document, slides, sheets, drawings, or forms directly in your assignment. So today I'm going to create a collaborative slide. So I click on slide. It automatically opens a new untitled presentation for me. And I am going to quickly rename it Collaborative Work. Call it. Let's do this together. And go into the Explore button and choose any one of these templates. I especially like this one. So I'm going to click this, close this down, just put in the apostrophe here. And what I can now do is first at the plus button, so I have a fresh slide, and then I use the keyboard shortcut Control D, Control D, 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 till I have the requisite number of slides that I need for my class. I have 18 students, so I'm going to click 19 here, and now each slide looks like this, and all of my students will be required to put in their name in the title bar, and then according to the instructions I give them, they can design their own slide. And then I go back to my classroom. It still is called Untitled Presentation, and it says students can view file. Now they can't do collaboration if they can only view this. So I need to change these settings to say students can edit file. So here I am. Once I post this, this is going to take on the name that I have given the main slides. So I'm going to click on Assign, and then let's just check. As you can see, it already calls itself Collaborative Work. Yay!